Hi, if you're a student in a semester-based program at Accommodation and you want to learn how to share your letters of academic accommodation with your course instructors, you've come to the right place. To get started, navigate to the CAL website. Then select the Exams and Accommodation Letters page on the right or in the menu if you're navigating using a mobile device. Select the Student Accommodations Non-Trades button as a semester student. Open the Step 1 accordion box and select Submit Accommodation Letter. This brings you to an introduction page where you can click on the Accommodation button to get started and log into the student portal. Log in with your Accommodation student number and password, and be prepared to wait up to 30 seconds for the login to complete. Select the term you want to share your letters for. This list shows you the courses you're registered in. Please be aware that waitlisted courses are not shown in the system. Letters of accommodation can be shared with your course instructors once you are enrolled in the course. Begin by selecting the Request button on a course. Scroll down and select from your approved accommodations the ones you wish to use for your courses. You can either select accommodations for all courses at once, or for single courses one at a time. If you are seeking a new or changed accommodation, you can select that and CAL staff will be alerted. We advise booking a meeting with your CAL instructor to discuss. Otherwise, proceed by clicking My Accommodations are correct the way they are. Scroll down and review the Terms of Use notice. Then click I agree to the terms outlined and click Submit. As before, be prepared to wait a little bit for the information to submit. The system returns you to a list where you can see the status of your accommodation letters. When your course instructor reads and acknowledges your letter, this will say Confirmed. You can now download a copy for your own records if you wish by clicking Get Letter. And finally, when you're finished, you can log out or close your web browser to exit out of the system. Semester students can log into the system at any point to check the status of their letters. We ask that students wait until 1 week before your classes start to share letters with your course instructors. This concludes the video tutorial. We hope you found it helpful, and we wish you the very best in your studies.